How you doing, everybody? Hey, it's Joe Henry, Lake of the Woods Tourism. Say, if you plan on coming up to Lake of the Woods ice fishing, I thought I'd give you just a couple of tips to kind of get you rolling. First off, you're allowed 2 holes ice fishing in the state of Minnesota. That means that we normally use 1 line for jigging. I'm jigging a spoon here with a minnow head on it, and use 1 dead stick. And in this one, I have a dead stick. I have a live minnow hanging right under my rod so I can watch my rod tip on the floor of the fish house. Some people might use a bobber in their dead stick hole. But the reason to use the 1-2 punch of a jigging line and a dead stick is because oftentimes when I'm jigging, I can watch the fish movements and the behavior of the fish on my electronics, and I can adapt to them based on what their mood is. At the same time, if I'm fishing during a day when the fish are kind of negative or maybe more of a neutral mode, what I can do is I'll have that dead stick down there with that live minnow. Oftentimes they'll look at my jigging line, they won't hit it, they'll slide over and hit that dead stick with that live minnow. That's why you always use a 1-2 punch. To get you going, we normally jig the bottom 3 feet of the contour of the water column. You know, our dead stick normally is going to be 6 inches to a foot off the bottom with a live minnow. When we use our jigging line, you know, we're going to jig that, typically pound it into the bottom and work it up to 2 feet off. Unless we see a fish come through suspended, which they do, then we'll raise it up and catch them. Hey, starting you out with colors. You know, Lake of the Woods is a stained water system. The water's a little murky. Consequently, gold is a very good color. We also like the glow colors. Glow red, pinks, things like that are always a good start. And hey, don't forget about rattle baits. So yeah, we got everything you need up at Lake of the Woods, whether it's the bait shops or the resorts. You can get everything you need up here if you need to. If you want to find out more about fishing Lake of the Woods, simply check out our website. It's lakeofthewoodsmn.com.